I have a design consisting of a drawing with a phrase I want to sell on Etsy. I kind of want to trademark the phrase, kind of want to. And it's unique and could be the main feature of my brand if this business is successful. However, I know it can take up to a year at least to get something trademarked, registered. In the meantime, how can I sell my design in a way that lets people know the trademark is on the way to deter them from stealing my phrase? Is it risky to do, or should I just wait?
Yeah, no, good question. So as soon as you submit that trademark application to the United States Patent and Trademark Office, you have pending trademark rights. So you'll have a application serial number at the USPTO, and that application is basically going to just hold space for you until the trademark registers. From a user standpoint, from a trademark owner standpoint, use the TM symbol, right? That kind of alerts people that you have pending trademark rights, or you believe you have some sort of unregistered trademark right. And then ultimately, when you do register, throw the circle R on the branding and go from there.